This is equipped with an EVO system. Turn off the engine and prepare to connect the cables. Please unplug the loved cable from the OEM screen. Please only unplug the power cable from the OEM head unit. Take out the new screen and all the cables, including the power cable and USB cable. Please connect the new power cable to the OEM head unit and the OEM head unit power cable. If your car has a fiber optic cable, please remove it and connect it to the new power connector. Unplug the original power cable from the head unit. Remove the original optical fiber cable. Connect the male connector of the original power cable to the female connector of the new power cable. Then connect the male connector of the new power cable to the female connector of the original car host power supply. Please find the correct position of the optical fiber cable interface on the new power connector. Finally, plug the optical fiber cable to the new harness. Connect the new power cable to the new screen. Connect the OEM loved cable to the new screen. Connect the USB cable to the new screen, and place the USB cable in the glove box. After wiring is complete, please turn on the engine and test the screen. If the OEM system displays an error, please select the correct resolution based on the OEM system and screen size. Please touch the top of the screen. When the back icon appears, tap it to return to the Linux system. If the sound is distorted, please connect or disconnect the GND cable. Please refer to the instruction manual to complete the wiring of the reversing camera.